food channel. This is Anagha and in this video I'll be showing you a mutton curry recipe. This is a spicy mutton curry full of flavors, full of spice and authentic. So let's see how to make this, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Let's watch how to make this spicy mutton curry. For mutton masala, first we need to make a masala. For that I'm going to add in a pan coriander seeds, cumin seeds, bay leaf, mace, cloves, 3 lychees. On a slow flame, just stir this, and now add dry red chilies. So this is being roasted, and finally I'm going to add the coconut powder. Make sure you add this at the end, and for a minute on a very low flame just roast this. Now blend this into a powder. So this is the blended powder, and we will be using this later while making a mutton curry. For mutton curry, first add oil, add bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, next add onions, add ginger garlic paste, add turmeric, add the mutton pieces, keep lid, add red chili powder, mutton masala powder, salt, now add this roasted masala powder and mix well. Add a cup of water, add a cup of buttermilk and coriander. So keep lid and let this cook on a medium flame for 30 to 40 minutes. So let's check this. So this is cooked, and now we will garnish and serve. So here the spicy mutton curry is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe. Thank you.